guys, welcome to SS Multimedia. This is Arjun Kokonda here, and today our topic is converting customary units of length. So our objective today is understanding how to convert the length measurement from one unit to another. So what we will be doing today is we'll learn how to convert the length measurement from one unit to another. So some examples of units can be like, so mainly what we will be doing today are inches, feet, and yards. So you guys can take a look at the table. So this shows how much each inch, feet, and yards are worth. So an inch is an inch, it's the smallest one we're going for, and a foot is 12 inches. And then a yard is 3 feet and 36 inches. We will be using these 3 units of measurement today. So these 3 you have to know for today's lesson. So I'll show you what I mean in a minute. So I'm going to start off with doing some examples. So here we have 4 problems. Now I'll show you how to do these using this table. Okay, so let's get started. First off, we have 4 feet equals blank inches. So we're trying to figure out how many inches 4 feet is. So first off, how many inches is 1 foot? So let's go back to the table and check. 1 foot is 12 inches. So we're trying to figure out how many inches is 4 feet. So what does that mean? What are we going to do? Well, we're going to multiply. We're going to do 4. It does not look like a 4. 4, there we go, times 12. Why 12? Well, because that's how many inches there are in 1 foot. So when we do that, we'll get the answer to this problem, which is 4 feet equals to how many inches. So let's do this. 4 times 12. So you guys can set it up like this. 12 times 4. There we go. Now let's find the answer. So we're just normally going to multiply. So 4 times 2 is 8, and 4 times 1 is 4. So we have 48. That means 4 feet equals 48 inches. And we can just write 48 here. Now we have 12 feet equals how many yards? Not inches, how many yards? So again, we're going to go back to the table. So right here, you can see that 3 feet is 1 yard. So now, how many yards is 12 feet? So what we'll do is we're going to divide this time, because we're converting from foot to yard. And right here we have 3 feet and then we have 1 yard. So that's 3 feet is 1 yard. So we know that. So yards, the digit is less than the number in feet. So 3 feet is 1 yard. And how many yards is 12 feet? So first off, how did we get from 3 to 12? So we're going to do this. So we're going to do 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3, as we all know, is 4. So that's it. That's all we need to do. 12 feet is 4 yards. Now we're going to do our third problem. Here, we are converting 3 feet 7 inches into inches. This is similar to the first one, except we have inches too. So, we're going to do the same thing. First off, we're going to convert 3 feet into inches. We know that 1 foot is 12 inches. So, simply what we'll do is 3 times 12. So, we can set it up. 12, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 1 is 3. So, we get 36. That means 3 times 12 is 36. Now we have 7 more inches. So all we'll do is we're just going to add them. 36 plus 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. And then 3 plus 1 is 4. So we got 43. That means our answer here is 43 inches. Now let's do one last example. So here we have 96 inches to feet. This time we're converting inches into feet. So let's go back to our table. So we know that 12 inches is 1 foot. Now we have 96 inches to how many feet? We're trying to figure that out. So first off, we're going to do 96 divided by 12 because 12 is our 1 inch. 1 inch is 12. 1 foot. 1 foot is 12. So this is pretty similar to what we did here in the second problem, except it's from inches to feet instead of feet to yards. So we're just going to divide. So I'm going to do it right here. 96 and 12. So what we can do is, we can just do 12 times 8, because 12 times 8 is 96. And we have nothing as a remainder. So that means 96 inches equals 8 feet. So there we go. That's how you do these kind of problems. Okay guys, now it's problem time, so you should pause the video and try these problems out yourself. Good luck. Okay, assuming you got it, let's check if you got it right. So we have 5 feet equals blank inches. So we know that 1 foot equals 12 inches. So all we're going to do is 5 times 12. This is what you do for every single problem when you're converting feet to inches. 12 times 5, so let's do it. 5 times 2 is 10, so 1 goes up there, the 0 is down there, and then 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6, so we get 60. Our answer here is going to be 60. Next we have 9 feet into yards. So we're going to do the same thing. Let's go back to the table. 1 yard is 3 feet. So 1 yard is 3 feet. So let's write that down too. So 1 yard is 3 feet. So again, because we know 3 feet is 1 yard, or 1 yard is 3 feet, all we're going to do is we will divide. We'll do 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So 9 feet is 3 yards. That's simple. Okay, so now we're going to do our third problem. Here we have 60 inches to blank feet. If you think about it, this should be quite easy. First off, let's go to the table. So right here, you can see that 12 inches is 1 foot. Trying to figure out 60 inches is how many feet. So all we're going to do again is we're just going to divide 60 divided by 12. If you want, you can set it up like this and then just do it. 12 times 5, there we go, 5, equals 60, so we get a remainder of 0. Now, our answer is going to be 5 feet. So that's not why I said it was easy. Why I said it was easy, because if you look at the first problem, we have our answer right there. 5 feet equals 60 inches. Here, 60 inches equals 5 feet. So, yeah, that is pretty simple. You don't even have to divide and do anything. Okay, now we have one last problem. 4 feet 7 inches equals how many inches? So again, we're gonna find out how many inches 4 feet is. So 1 foot is 12 inches. So 4 feet is how many inches? We'll do 4 times 12 to find the answer. So all you're going to do is this. So you're just going to 12 times 4. I'm doing it in white so it stands out from the third problem. So 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 1 is 4. So my answer here is going to be not 48. It's going to be 48 plus 7, because we have 7 more inches here to worry about. So 48 plus 7 is 55. So that's our answer. Our answer is going to be 55 inches. Did you get all of them right? Well, if you did, great job. Even if you got only a few of them or none of them right, it's okay. Just keep practicing, and at some point you'll perfect these problems. Comment down below in the comment section how many you got right. So, great job. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Take a video. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And hit the notification bell for more updates on our videos.